Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to easily export files from private groups on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted to download and keep important files from your private groups in one place, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Stay with me and follow along carefully. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu, where you'll find different options to customize and control your Telegram experience. Next, from the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, you'll see several sections. You need to select the option called Advanced. This is where Telegram stores more detailed tools and preferences. Now, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that allows you to copy and save your data from Telegram onto your computer. Click on it, and a list of options will appear, showing what type of data you can export. To make sure you only get files from your private groups, check the box labeled Private Groups. Then, keep scrolling down until you see Files. Select this option to ensure all the shared documents, media, and other files from your chosen groups are included in the export. When you're ready, click on Export at the bottom. The process may take a little bit of time depending on how much data Telegram needs to gather, so just let it run until it's finished. Once the export ends, you'll see a new button that says Show My Data. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the folder on your computer where all the exported files are stored. From here, you can easily browse through, organize, or even back them up however you like. And that's it. You've successfully exported files from private groups in Telegram on your PC. With this updated feature, keeping track of your important documents and media has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to use it whenever you need to save and manage your Telegram files quickly and effectively.